In this video, let's take a look at how you can record yourself watching a video on an iPhone. So this is a thing a lot of people are interested in, and I'm gonna show you what the options are for you. So a lot of people, what they want to do is simply have their face as part of the video as they are reacting to it. So what you can do is to record yourself, like, perform a little recording like that. And then what you can do is to make it part of your existing video. So I'm going to use a video editor called CapCut, where you can start a new project or you can continue with the existing one, whatever it might be, right? Doesn't matter. But if I start a new one and find any of the videos right here, I would preferably choose something vertical, but horizontal, but most of my videos are vertical right here. So if I choose something random, like a video of a, I have this black one right here. So I'm going to go with this right there. And essentially, I'm going to import it into my timeline. And then I'm going to click on the plus icon and bring the video of my face like that. I'm going to select it and make it the overlay, meaning that it's going to be put on the top of my other video right here. And essentially, when I do this, I'm going to continue with the changes and make sure that I'm selecting a mask for it. So I don't necessarily want my entire thing, only my face. So I'm going to choose the circular mask and just create a circle for my face. And right now I have a video of me reacting to another video below, and I can just play it and you can see I've put it together like that. So even though I cannot do it on my iPhone at the same time, I just cannot record my face and the thing I'm watching, I can kind of do it in two takes and put it together into a format like this, right? So you can see I have a video below which I'm quote reacting to, and my face right here which I can put on the screen, and it just behaves kind of okay. So this is the thing which you can do. I know it's not ideal, but this is the closest we can get. So let me know below in the comments if you managed to get it to work or what you think about it. Subscribe and hit the thumbs up, and I'll see you later.